Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and today I'm making something totally new, something I've never done before. These are fat-free potato puffs, and they are so easy and so good, and they're really convenient if you happen to have some leftover mashed potatoes, which I did. So yeah, we're going to use an air fryer, and we're going to make these perfect little round potato puffs. So that's a little gizmo I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. It's a melon baller, and it has a little rubber bottom. And all you do is just fill that full of mashed potatoes, and they push that little green part on the bottom, and out pops up a perfect little potato ball. And I thought, why not use this to make some potato puffs? I've never done it before. And it's just seasoned mashed potatoes. I think I used a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, some basil, some salt and pepper. And I think I even put a cherry tomato in one or two of these. Yeah, it didn't work out too well. It's kind of juicy in the middle if you cook them. But anyway, you can experiment, do whatever you want with these. They are so versatile. But yeah, all you need is mashed potatoes. These are fat-free. There's no oil. There's no fat. Season them the way you like. And you need an air fryer, of course. My little New Wave there, it's a 3-quart. So it was just big enough to hold 9 of those little potato puffs. You just cook them on 400 degrees for 20 minutes. That's it. That's how simple this is. Now, I've been told that there is special parchment paper you can buy for air fryers, and they have little holes in it so the air flows. If you can't find it, you can take regular parchment paper, probably, and just punch some holes in it. Because mine did stick, and I checked them after about 5 minutes, and they were already starting to stick. It wasn't a big deal. I put them back in and let them keep going, and I checked them again right before they were done. They browned up beautifully, but they stuck. And of course, I'm not going to use any oil or spray anything on the air fryer basket. So if you can do the parchment paper trick, great. Let me know how it works out for you. I used a spatula and tried to loosen them up. Again, it's not a big deal. They brown up and they harden pretty good. So they're pretty easy to get off. But it would have been nice if they just popped right out. But anyway, there they are after 20 minutes. Beautiful little round puffs of potato. And I just happen to have some cheese sauce. I'm doing this Mary's Mini thing this week, and I'll put a link below for a description of what that is, and of course the recipe for the potato puffs. And yeah, I have this cheese sauce, which made a great dipping sauce. And if you haven't had my cheese sauce, it's amazing. I will put a link down there for that too. And there you go, little round, perfectly, I can't think of what I'm trying to say, but they're so good, especially if you like potatoes. So anyway, there's the recipe for the week. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure and give me a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe if you haven't already. I will be back next week with a brand new video. Not potatoes this time, I promise. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. This is Chuck from Brand New Vegan.